I am back with yet another video to close off 2018 because I was absent, missing in action for most of 2018, so I have a lot to share towards the end of 2018 and into January 2019. And this one is my best stylers of 2018. Now, if you hear me smacking my mouth, I am eating some of this and drinking some juice because your girl is hungry. Okay, let's stop. I only have 3 on the list. Like I said, I didn't use very many products. My first one is this Camille Rose Naturals Almond Dry Twisting Butter. You guys should already know that I love it. I have an entire review on this product. I also have a comparison video between it and the next product that I'm going to mention. And I thoroughly love this product for twisting my hair. To be honest, I haven't used it very much in 2018 because my hair was shorter. But when my hair got a little longer, any twist outs or braiders that I did, for the most part, I used this product. So I also have a recent twist out video using this product. This product pretty much is in my holy grail, or my holy grail stash of products, because I know it will always deliver for me. I love the consistency, I love the results with it. Thoroughly love it. It deserves to be on my best stylers for 2018 list. My second one is the Mixtress J Cosmetics Honey Shea Twist and Seal Butter. I got this one in the second half of the year, so as you can see, it's still quite full. I have only really used it about 4 times or a handful of times, and that's because, again, I have not been wearing very many twist outs. I also find that it's a very good moisturizer, so I quite like this product. I think it's a very good styler, and it's local, so if you're in Trinidad, check it out. They are at Pennywise, so I know for sure that the leave-in is at Pennywise, and this one I believe, so check them out. It's the Mixtress J Cosmetics, and this one is the Honey Shea Twist and Seal Butter. Check out my entire review on this line of products, all the products from the Mixtress J Cosmetics. A pair, yes, it's actually a pair. I don't know where. I'll put it on the screen and in the description box. And my third and final and also the most used styler for 2018 is, surprise, surprise, Ecostyler Gel. And this one is the Argan Oil one. You guys, Ecostyler is not cancelled in my books. This is the best gel that I have used. I am not a very big gel girl, but this works well for me. And surprisingly, I started using the Ecostyler Gel, the Argan Oil Ecostyler Gel, only when I cut off my hair. And I actually prefer it to the olive oil one, which was my favorite. I thoroughly love this. This gives me bomb wash and goes. Cannot go wrong. Delivers every single time. And if not a wash and go, I've been using it to slick down my hair. All my styles have been heavily using gel recently. So this is my most used product in terms of styling for 2018, and it will be going with me into 2019. If I do not have one of these, I feel antsy because either one of my go-to styles requires this. I have another gel here. I don't quite like it. I love this one. So Ecostyler is not cancelled. Don't even let me get into the whole Ecostyler is cancelled debacle. So these are my favorite stylers of 2018. These are what worked for me. Like I said, I didn't use very many. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.